should be a barrister. I mean a barista. 오자.
It's okay, no problem.
How are you feeling, tour guide?
Good.
Good?
Everything's good except nose running.
Is he the nose running? You want me to wipe the nose? This is Gom, our personal trainer, expert.
Oh wow, okay.
Nice.
Use half of the paper sheet.
Paper shit. Oh, you mean wash your ass with paper?
Do they provide us the tissue?
I just keep it in, bro. I know. I just maybe day 7 I go toilet.
I don't want to.
Boy, you're very good. You need to have a shower.
Rhododendron.
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 Sorry then.
You got it, you got it. Before Christmas, Thanksgiving.
Tour guide's cooking for us.
Oh, no, you can take another one.
Can I have another egg?
Yeah.
I never seen someone crack an egg that hard. Walking at 4:30 in the morning to Poon Hill. Whoosh. Let's grip. So we're running out of energy and motivation. So I've asked my tour guide over there to put on some motivational music. Doesn't matter how many times you fall, it's about how many times you get back up.
Yeah, that's what the office said.
Exactly. Look at all this shit. Mount Everest is that way somewhere.
One the map.
I know. He's got his horse.
We were caught up in the high, it was better than drugs.
It's the not sound like it.
Legendary Gorman Chandra. Sounds like a cartoon. Gorman Chandra.
Shake hands. Handshake.
Rejected.
Rejected. Doesn't want to be friends with me.
It's because you smell.
Yeah, it's hard when you're young. Caught up in the high, it was better than drugs. Too hard to see that it would all lead to destruction. At least we both know that shit.
Riding a bike for the first time in Asia. I have no idea what I'm doing. We're gonna overtake someone.
Time begin now. Oh, this special treat.
It's so good.
Nice.
It's good. So good.
So drunk right now. So drunk.
She had 2 sips and she's drunk.
I drink it fast. So you know, like now I'm. I cannot be myself right now. Maybe I can do shopping tonight too.
She'll go shopping.
Oh yeah. 2, 1, go.
That's pretty good.
Doing so good.
Pretty clean. go. Let's go. There we go. Oh, another one? I got another one. Wait.
Student pending, madam.
Huh?
Student pending.
Student.
Yes, madam.
And what is this?
There is monks people, the Buddhist people.
Huh?
And it is not gold.
And what it is too?
It is gold pending and national stone pending.
Both.
Yeah. And that's why if you buy this, it costs expensive. Excuse me. You buy this.
Well, you're buttering socks.
Pending like this.
Okay.
Look at the next
How
one.
much?
Yeah.
Because I take 2 already. Maybe this is
I give it to you, okay, madam.
For free?
Yes.
for free.
I'm happy. I'm giving to you because
Some,
you go the two.
Thai-Lankan
but I
buttering.
don't-
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
I like this one.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Nice. How much?
Barahi.
How much? How much is it? Rupees? How much?
Yeah.
How much this one? How much for this? How much for this one? How much is this one? How much is this one here? This two.
This is cheapest, madam.
Cheap? How much?
Bro, why don't you just buy the whole store?
So I'm happy. I give to you.
Okay, cool. Thank
Yes.
you.
I'm happy.
You also look at your Nepali.
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 You look so Nepali.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm looking to your Nepali.
Oh, look, Nepali.
I think you do know interest in mandala painting? Some
This mandala.
mandala.
Oh.
Yeah, this is catchy.
Instead of rupees, can you take dal? Go.
Here we go. Yeah, there we go.
Oh.
There we go. Give me the best.
Okay.
I don't want to negotiate too long.
Okay, man. 70. You make 60. You give.
Can you do 55?
Yeah.
I will take 50. I'm really impressed with the way you work
Yes.
and the
Thank
way
you.
you talk and
Thank you.
and
Yeah.
give some more.
Just I give it.
My lovely.
Ah, nice. So good. And one for my friend too.
No.
Thank you. My brother.
Animal.
Alright, so
So
Thai-Lankans, we give to the poor.
give to the poor. We donate something. Do something nice
Exactly.
for others. Hey, doggy. And just take the whole thing. I'm going to give some more to the other dogs. I don't have a whole night here. Just put it here, okay? Right.
Good boy. Okay. Okay, bye.
Let's go. He's so interested. She's so fat. See?
How's the she?
Oh shit. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, I'm going.
Wait. See.
Oh my god. Uh-oh. Okay, let's
Keep
go.
walking. Okay, here's some for you.
Alright, we found the dog.
Something for you.
Oh,
Oh, she's so handsome. Look.
oh, you handsome boy.
가자고요?
What? What?
또 마라탕이세.
I have some food for him.
We have some.
그래도 그만하기에는 과일이잖아요.
Yeah. Have it. He's not eating it. No? What are you gonna do?
You don't like?
So
You have some. You handsome boy.